Hey up guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes. Look what I've got. Bam! It is a Honda CB1000R. Absolute Bobby Dazzler this one. It's an Extreme. Finished off in the HRC colour scheme style there with the red, white and blue. Mega bikes these, really nice. This sounds wicked as well with it having the Acro on there and decat. This is 2015 on a 15 plate. Let me turn that on for you. All blue displays. It's done 3,726 miles. Under tray's been changed as well, so it's a little bit nicer under there. I'm going to give it a start up for you. This one comes with ABS, so you've got the stopping power to back up the horsepower it's got. Anyhow, I'll leave you with it. What a fabulous bike this is. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.